If I could show you the four major hurdles to getting an ETF passed, would you have a better understanding if this is the right investment for you? Now, regulatory clarity plays a critical role in the launching of exchange traded funds, or an ETF. When a crypto receives regulatory clarity, it means it has met all of the legal requirements and guidelines set by the regulatory authorities, such as the SEC here in the United States. Now, this provides several benefits. Number one, reduced legal uncertainty. Now, regulatory clarity reduces legal uncertainties and the associated risk with the crypto. This means purchasers or investors into ETFs, along with the insurers, are confident that the ETF complies with all legal requirements. Number two, faster approval process. With regulatory clarity, the approval process for the ETF can be expedited, and regulatory authorities are more likely to approve ETFs or cryptos that have already met their legal standards. Now, this can lead for quicker launches and availability of ETFs in the market. Number three, increased investor confidence. Regulatory clarity boosts investor confidence. Investors are more likely to invest into an ETF that is backed by crypto that has regulatory clarity status. Now, this can lead to higher demand and better market performance for the ETF. Number four, market stability. Regulatory clarity can contribute to the market stability. It ensures the crypto operates within the legal framework, reducing the likelihood of sudden regulatory actions or bans that could negatively impact the market. Now, if this information was helpful to you, although this is a quick overview, I would suggest you stop by our YouTube channel, Crypto for Seniors, and watch the full version of this video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video.